Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can post together on Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram and click on the plus icon in the bottom and select any picture from gallery. So I'm going to select this one. Okay, click on next. And if you want, you can add filter in the picture. From here you can add music as well from here, so it is up to you. So I'm going to leave this step now. Click on next, and here you can see tag people. Click on that and click on invite collaborators. So I'm going to search a random person, for example. So take for example this person, and here you can see if they accept, your post will be shared with their followers and they will be shown as author of the post. So if you want, you simply need to click on that and click on share. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.